Hello! Who out there loves tacos and who likes them spicy? Hello, this is T-Rex007 coming at you from my YouTube channel, The Lonesome Ranger Productions. So, I got the meat already, ground beef already started to cook up here. And here in a second, I'm going to chop up some fresh jalapeno. That'll mix in along with this, what I discovered here at Walmart today. Cholula Smoky Chipotle Taco Spice. I'm going to break this up a little bit. Hope I can keep the camera steady on my phone here. I'm holding it in my hand. Still have yet to get a gimbal. Get two hands free. It's 80%, 20% ground beef. Normally I try to be a little more healthy and I get the 92%. Got a big package of the sheep stuff. So follow me over here. This is some pepper jack cheese. I'm going to shred manually. Now I'm going to have to do a little MacGyvering with the phone, with my camera. Hopefully it will come out. I need two hands for this. Hopefully not too close here. Use some leftover jalapeno. Put in some eggs the other day. If you like it spicy, make sure you keep the seeds. And do not touch your eyeball or washing your hands after handling any hot peppers. It's a safety tip along with a cooking tip, I guess. Take that off. I can still use it. It hurt nothing. Still won't hurt nothing. Spicy peppers are good for metabolism. For those who don't know. Don't chop your fingers off, boys and girls. Alright, set this cheese aside for a sec. Let's chop this a little more. Apologize if the camera's shaky. Just kind of winging it, MacGyver style a little bit. Put that in there. Mexican Iron Man's watching out there. Hope he appreciates this. Mike. Iron Mike. I was born on the border in Texas. Maybe I'm part Mexican, I don't know. Texas born, Arizona raised. As most of you probably know, basic cooking. Wait till ground beef is brown. I plan on doing a roast Sunday, and I'm going to do shredded beef tacos for Tuesday this next week. simmer it a little bit now. Using a couple of pink peppers here. Put probably half this package in here. I like my stuff spicy. Ripping the bag open with my teeth. Still have all my teeth. I do have one broken one. I need to go to the dentist. Cut some of those. Losing teeth or something that got removed. Put about half of this in there. And get this cheese. Grater here. Grater. And I'm just going to use soft corn tortillas. I could put them in the air fryer and crisp them up, but not this time. Maybe Tuesday. Sorry for my messy sink. So, go to the fridge. I'm just gonna eyeball the water. Put a little bit. The great thing about the high fat content ground beef, stick to the pan, you know. And non-stick pans are never really truly non-stick. I don't know, but I kind of normally I'll leave a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil, and I just wipe out the excess with a paper towel. That's what they used to do with those iron skillets. You had to season them. That means you leave lard or whatever they use, like a layer of it, old bacon grease. And it's simmering pretty good right now. Sorry for the lighting. You get track lighting in here or something. More overhead lighting. So I'm going to let that simmer on lower temperature a bit. Cover it. Come over here, shred some cheese. Okay. I just ate it. I prefer vegetables and fruit raw, personally. I don't know about you guys. Alright, I'm gonna have to MacGyver the camera phone again. It would be nice if the overly priced iPhones would come with a built-in gimbal or something. Wouldn't that be cool? I saw a thing on YouTube the other day, like a concept. It probably won't happen, but they had like this slide-out drawer of an iPhone with like a camera drone that slid out. You remove a removable camera drone. Is that weird? For like a little mini. Pretty cool. Maybe I'll drop the link in the description. I haven't done anything like that yet. Alright. Oh, actually, you know what? I forgot. This case has a case. Damn, I'm such an amateur, everybody. Be sure now. So hopefully you can see this. Set that. I should have been doing this all dang time. Alright. I prefer not to get too finely shredded cheese. If you know what rustic cut is, if I get it all pre-done, I get the rustic cut. It's like the thicker shredded cheese. Fine shredded cheese is just, I don't know. So, probably gonna make about 3 or 4 tacos here. I didn't really have much of a lunch today. I actually had some tortilla chips and queso. before I came back home. So I'll have some more of that with nachos to go with my tacos. Hopefully this video won't be overly too long and everybody can follow easily what I'm doing here. For those real amateur cooks out there, or young people who have never cooked in their entire life, when you move out of the house, you want to do something simple, tasty, this is one way to go. Tuesdays or Thursday, because alliteration with the T's. Taco Tuesday, Taco Thursday. Alright, that's probably enough for now. Got a big block of the pepper jack over at the Fry's. Some places around the country called Kroger's. Has Kroger's, same thing. So let's check out the ground beef. A bit hot. Probably edit this and brighten this up. Gotta mess around. I need to mess around with iMovie. I haven't messed around with that on my new Mac, so let's see what I could do with that. Maybe I'll have some title screens and all that kind of sort of stuff. Those out there have already seen Superman. I'm considering making my first entertainment. A little bit trepidation because I haven't done an entertainment one yet, and I have trepidation about the movie because I've heard mixed reviews. The Corn Sweat and Rachel, they all do good performances. That's what everybody says. But they beat the crap out of Superman. But anyways, wait for my review after I watch it. I might try to watch it this weekend. But the gold standard is the Christopher Reeve 1978 original movie Superman. Richard Donner. And then they also have the Richard Donner director's cut. Tom from Midnight's Edge. I guess he liked it, I heard. Other people don't like it. Snarky J was really against it. She got an early screening. Force of Light ladies, the Angels, they seem to like it. They even saw it twice. So, but I'll hold out for my own opinion till I see it. And I also heard they broke the law. So. Anyways, I don't know when I'm gonna have that out. I'm gonna try to kick it up a notch and make it fancier. Maybe do some title sequences, opening credits, or some crap like that. So we'll see. Alright, it looks pretty brown from what I could tell in this terrible lighting. I'll just cover it for a little longer. From low, turn it to simmer, low heat. And then these are normally used for hard taco shells, but I love using these things, one of them Tupperware things. And I have this plate, the lone plate I have of this style. It's a very Spanish style, Mexican style looking plate. So white corn tortillas. Think about these fresh ones. I got a big pack, it's like 30 of them. The soft ones, they always break it off. That's kind of upsetting. See, look at this one. Doing all this one-handed. I'm trying to keep the camera steady on the iPhone. Of recording at 4K, but I had a higher level frame per second 4K that I recorded my past videos, and I was just taking too much memory up on my computer. I'm like, dang. Alright, so I think I'll get 4 tacos out of there. I don't know if I'll eat 4, maybe 3. I typically eat 3. This one's broken too. One day I'll show you a trick. You can make your own tortilla chips in the air fryer for those of you who have air fryers. I'm gonna take my pooper scooper, but I don't use it for pooper scooper. I don't have a dog. I used to. I want to get another dog, maybe a husky. I had a beagle before, but this is for cooking. Like, it's kind of like a wok thing, but man, it's handy. It's better than regular spatulas. Can you see it, everybody? I'll just do one, and then I'll end the video. Because then, rinse and repeat, right? All right, here's a cheddar pepper jack cheese. And I'll top them all with salsa. I probably eat too much cheese, I don't know. Can't help it. Trying to eat better. Can't resist pizza. Cheese. Gluten-free pizza or something, I don't know. Alright, so everybody out there, I hope I at least semi-entertained everybody. So don't forget to subscribe, everybody. All those who are new, like, leave a nice comment or a bad comment. I don't care. Just leave a comment and subscribe and like it or don't like it. But take action. I appreciate everybody's support, and God bless everybody. Good night. T-Rex 007 is out. I'm hungry, and I'm going to eat me some tacos. Spicy tacos. Goodbye.